Hey, now we will have a look for the dryer and the washing machine. So grab the key in the same way as in the other video. Open the door. And then go downstairs. Open the first white door with the key. And also the second one. And there we are. There's the washing machine and also the dryer. There you can see the instructions. You can use the dryer for 50 cents per 20 minutes, so €1 40 minutes and so on. And the washing machine has the same price. And there you can start the dryer and there the washing machine. And then just use it. If you don't want to use the dryer, we have a thing to, I don't know the name in English, I'm sorry, a thing to where you can put your clothes on to make it dry inside the flat. I showed it you in the last video. It's upstairs in the flat. Then you don't have to use the dryer to save some money. Have a great time. See you.